Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So I'm on operation get my account on Drawdown, you get me? So I'm like down, I was down -7 on my phase 1 FTMO, like damn, -7 is crazy. But you know, I had a nice week last week, so I brought that back a bit. And my phase 1 funding pips, I'm like down 3R now. So I brought that back a bit as well. So we're getting closer to break even, you know what I mean? So I took one trade last week, USD JPY. I probably could have got more out of the trade, but hear me out on my trade management and why I only took like 2R. So basically, yeah, I got in the trade. I was targeting like daily external range high. That would have been like 5R. It was great targets. And I think we're literally nearly there now. But I closed around 2R because I just thought, you know what, I've seen price accumulating a bit. And I was like, you know what, I low-key can't even afford for this to go back to break even. Like, I'm not even in a position for this to go back to break even, you get me? Like, I low-key need I kind of need the profit, you get me? So I ended up taking profits at 2R. Someone's probably going to say that's scarcity in trading. Like, low-key, I low-key do hear it, you get me? When you're actually that much in drawdown, you know, a bit of scarcity just creeping, so you get me? So I low-key, you know, low-key need to take it at 2R. And even Omo, you know, MBB trader, he even says it like, the certain trades you take, yeah, like if you can afford to let it run on, let it run on. If you low-key can't even afford it, just take your profits, you get me? So that's what I did. I just took my profits, which is calm. But obviously if I was in more profit or even a bit less drawdown, like -1, I would have just let it run. Or yeah, whatever. But other than that, I'll bring it up to the charts and I'll show you the trade I took. All right, so let's get into the trade. So essentially I was looking for longs in UJ. So if you look at price here, let me go to a different USD JPY. Oh, nice bit cleaner. Or is this one cleaner? Yeah, so basically I see me at this gap just here, boom. With this big gap in price just there. So basically I want to obviously literally textbook price go from internal range to external range. And my trading view literally got hacked. I don't know if it's got hacked or something, but my trading view account's been closed down. So I'm on like a little free trial account right now. But yeah, so I want to see price go from this internal range join to this external range high. So I see on the Friday's candle, we literally swept previous day's low. Have happened like bullish candle, you know, swept previous day's low and then close within the candle's range. So I was like, okay, this is some very good signs that we want to go higher. So coming to Monday's PA now. I was on M15. Let me go on replay this. So it was based on the M15. Let me take away this real quick. Watermark. Take that off. Yeah. Cool. So let's see. So on the M15 now, coming to Monday, I even got my finger indicator on as well. The thingy. But yeah, so coming to Monday now, what do we see? So essentially, I've seen that we kind of accumulated during Asia and London, we kind of accumulated. And just towards the end of London, we literally came down, swept these lows just here, boom, swept these lows there. So during Asia, we kind of just traded down a bit, accumulating. And then during London, towards the end of London, I was waiting for price to displace a bit. What's the time around here? Yep, so as we came to New York Kill Zone now, I see now we traded above the change state delivery order block. Boom. So I got in there. And yeah, stopped below the low. And I was targeting these highs at first. So I was targeting these highs up here, which was about 5R initially. Like if I was not in this much drawdown or whatever, like it would have made sense to target this, and I would have been okay to take that. So yeah, we literally got in the trade now. Got in that. And then let's see what price. So for the Monday, it's going to 1 hour. Let's see. So for the Monday, you see how we just accumulated on that Monday's candle, which basically accumulated around. On Tuesday, Asia is only started getting that movement. So once price, I'll show you where it closed out. So this whole Wednesday, from correctly, Wednesday, we literally just stayed in this range for the whole day. Ranging around the whole day. So around here is when I just got around 2R. I thought, okay, you know what? I low-key can't afford me to maybe dip down and go back up, you know what I mean? So I took that and take profit at 2R. So that was my trade, you know. I banked 2% on that. That was a great trade. Literally textbook, you know, stuck to the system, stick to my edge, you know what I mean? It's getting out of this drawdown bit by bit, you get me? And I'll even show you the markets now as well. Like look at your USD now. Like the market's starting to clean up as well now. Yep, so let's look at EU. So let me just skip forward a bit. Yeah, look at EU now. So it's actually clean. So we can see now how we tapped into this daily FTG now. Boom, this FTG is tapped into. And I want to see price obviously draw lower. Still continue to draw lower. And if you look at the XY as well. The XY, where are we? Obviously, this was the first FTG that's been held. This FTG has been held. And obviously, we know we want to draw to. We want to draw to the external range highs up here. Want to draw to these highs there. And obviously now, we can see how we kind of pulled a bit. We've drawn back into this FTG now. So I want to see obviously price support this to go higher. So coming to next week, My first targets will be this high. This was my first targets on the start of the week. And if you even look now, we haven't really shifted in price just yet. The structure still bearish, and we haven't changed it with all the back. So even if it came a little bit lower, again, we took that previous day's low. Now we're opening price now, I really don't know if we're going to do that. Boom. I'd obviously want to see price do that, or price basically just displace these highs up here. It's displace these highs up there, and then yeah, we trade down. So look at you now, go back to you. Literally, I just want to see price like displacing, displacing below these lows. Man changed it with all the block to form. Boom. And obviously looking up for continuations or whatever, or even just take that there and then target lower. You know what I mean? So you're actually looking okay. Look at GU as well. GU's doing very clean as well. Exactly want to join to this low, just bang. We did take previous day's high on the Friday's candle. Same with you, and this actually to the downside, so it does actually look okay. So yeah, next week goes out. So other than that, you know, I'm feeling confident still. Then I get the cam back to break even. The market's starting to clean up now, so literally it probably takes like 2 more wins. You know what I mean? Target 3R, target 2R, or target 2.5R. That's 2 wins that I'm back here. So other than that, guys, you know, for all the guys out there, for all the guys out there, again, I like to say it every video. For all the guys that they were grinding, man, just stick to it. You know what I mean? If you're in a bit of drawdown, just stick to your system. You know what I mean? Doing good and profit, just keep doing what you're doing. You know what I mean? Other than that, that's what you can really do. You know, if you're in a bit of drawdown as well, don't really let it get to the edge. You know, I could let this drawdown get to my head and do some dumb stuff now. You know, just blowing their account or force a trade out. But no, I shouldn't really do. I don't need to do that. You know what I mean? I'm confident in my skill. You know, I've got a good edge, so that's all I can really do. Stick to the process. You know, I made some mistakes early on, but now all I can really do is learn from it. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Get myself out of the hole, build myself into the game. So other than that, man, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.